Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Ever feel like your home is a constant battleground against dust bunnies and clutter?
We've all been there, but what if I told you there's a secret weapon in the fight for a clean and peaceful home?
Imagine this. You walk through the door after a long day, and instead of facing a mountain of chores,
You're greeted by sparkling floors, gleaming surfaces, and a sense of calm. That's the magic of residential cleaning services.
but beyond the obvious perk of a clean home, there are hidden benefits you might not have considered.
Feeling stressed and overwhelmed? Residential cleaning services can take a huge load off your shoulders, reducing stress and anxiety.
Plus, regular cleaning removes dust, allergens, and other irritants, creating a healthier environment for you and your family.
And let's be honest, a clean and organized space can boost your productivity and make you feel more energized.
But with so many options out there, choosing the right residential cleaning service can feel like another chore.
Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are some key tips. Experience matters.
Look for a company with a proven track record of happy customers.
Find your fit. Choose a service that offers cleaning plans tailored to your needs, budget, and frequency.
Go green. Opt for companies that use eco-friendly cleaning products that are safe for your family and the environment.
Communication is key. Clear communication and transparency are crucial for building trust. Peace of mind. Ensure they're fully insured and bonded for your protection. Now, let me introduce you to Olympia Cleaning Services. We're not just about making your home sparkle. We're about making your life easier and healthier.
We have a team of experienced and certified technicians who use eco-friendly products and tailor their cleaning to your specific needs.
We believe in open communication and transparency, keeping you informed every step of the way. And most importantly, we stand behind our work with a 100% satisfaction guarantee.
Ready to ditch the cleaning stress and reclaim your time?
Contact Olympia Cleaning Services today for a free consultation and quote. Remember, a clean home is a happy home, and we're here to help you achieve it. Don't wait. Experience the Olympia difference and start living in a sparkling haven today.